Good
So good
day,
day,
sir.
sir. So I'm Makinasma and my partner here.
Gabriel Dalisay.
So for this session, we are going to record a video, fast video lang of this a create DNS has host a record. First, we are going to watch the video and then create a notes and just follow the notes. So for this video, I will going we will learn how host A records are created. So host A records are most common DNS resource record. It is dynamically created with name of the host and then corresponding IP address. So to show that uh, Gabriel Darisay, can you demonstrate?
So first you have to go to the tools. Click here, then go to the DNS. Then locate your server icon, which is here. Then go to the forward lookup zones and go to your created file.
So as we can see here, we have mistaken the domain name instead of CCS CCSS. So we recreated another one. So this is the host A record. So this is the name, station name, and then this is the type, and this is the IP address. So as you can see, it is the most common type of record. So let's try deleting our host A record. So to prove that A records are dynamically created by the host when IP address is assigned to the host. Okay, so let's delete this. So after deleting the host A record, we go to the Open Windows 10 and open CMD and do this command, and it should return the host A record. So Dalisay, Gabriel, can
So
you demonstrate?
go to the Windows 10, type IP config, uh, don't forget space, then slash renew. So we
Mm.
so um,
Go.
so we're done here. So let's go back to the Windows server. Click right click here, then refresh. So as you can see, Station Asmadal is back.
So the reason why it created after inputting this command is it host A records are created dynamically, and the reason of that is of this check register disconnections addresses in DNS option in Windows 10. So let's uncheck it first. So first let's locate it, properties, then administrator, then asma dalisay 3. Go to the IPv4, then advanced, then DNS, then uncheck this and then restart the computer. So now we are done restarting the computer. We go back to Windows Server 2016 and delete this to prove that unchecking. Uh, so we've deleted it already. So the reason to delete is to prove that by unchecking the registers disconnection address in DNS in Windows 10, will not or I mean will prevent making then host a record dynamically. So first let's input ipconfig again, ipconfig. What is that partner? Renew. Okay.
Renew.
And
Yes.
then after that, let's wait. So let's refresh here. It should not appear. The host A record should not appear here. Let's refresh. So as we can see, we cannot the host A record did not created dynamically. So
So there is another way to check if the host was created dynamically. So type ping your station name, which is our name is station 1 Asma Dal. Then enter.
hmm, partner, why did the host reply? The answer is because of the cache. So DNS cache is purpose is to answer client queries quickly. So the Windows Server catch the station 1 as madal station. So to remove the cache, just type this ipconfig /dns. Click enter, and if we ping again, ooh,
So supposedly, if you ping the station 1 as Madal, it should not have a reply, which is happening here. So partner,
yes, we've got a reply unfortunately, and we already unchecked this register disconnection and restarted the computer. It should not reply, okay, but fortunately we don't know the solution for this. So let's just continue.
so
Let's continue manually creating a host a record. So
yes, yes.
to do that, let's go to
So proceed on manually creating a new host. So right click on here, then click new host, type the station name, which is station 1 as Madal, then click on IP address, then dot 10.50. Then click on add host. So host record station 1 asmadal.css.uic.edu.ph was successfully created. Click OK.
so let's click done here, and then as you can see we have added the host a record manually. So I think that's it. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.
Bye. See you
Bye.
again soon.